What is up everyone, Jeran here, a casual runner, and this is a recap of the Takbo para sa Kalikasan 2024. It's almost a month late because hindi ako nakapag-video and na-move yung November 17 supposed to be na Takbo para sa Kalikasan to December 7, which is the final installment, the Earth Run. Tapos na, kompleto ko na. Kita nyo naman kita nyo yung ating medal hanger. So, natapos natin from the fire run. So, I started off the fire run with 5K. So, this was my second ever run or race. No? Nung nagsisimula ako dito sa aking running journey, after the Earth Run 2024, which was the Galaxy Earth Run 2024 nung Run Rio. So, nakita ko to and I said, oh, it's another way to help the environment. So, ayan. So, sumali ako and nakita ko mayroon pang another 3 na installment ng series. So, sinalihan ko lahat. So, I did the water run nung July 14, 2024 and I did 10K. So, this was my first ever 10-kilometer run in my running career. In my casual running career. And then, I was followed ng September 22, which was the air run. Another 10 km. And lastly, we finished off with the Earth Run, which is nangyari nitong December 7, which was supposed to be November 17. Na-move lang siya kasi may bagyo. So, pinili ng Green Media Events na i-postpone muna for the safety of the runners. And we did 5K. Well, one thing I could say is that it's great feeling na matapos yung 4 installments ng Takbo para sa Kalikasan 2024. On the last part, nakita nyo dito, complimentary, no? On the last part of the series, I was lucky enough to join the team na to make this run more well-known. So, kumbaga parang influencers team. I'm not that kind of influencer. Pero, I was lucky enough to be part of that. It's great to see na may pinupuntahan talaga yung mga binayad ko for the past runs na ginawa ko for this series. Nakita ko napupunta dun sa, I think that yung isa para sa pawikan, yung dalawa last was for the trees, I think, no, na they planted more trees that which was nice kasi nakikita tangible, no, nakikita ko yung binabayad ko for these runs, may napupuntahan talaga, and it's a nice feeling na aside from being healthy, challenging myself to run more and more, may natutulungan din ako. So by next year, magkakaroon ulit ng Takbo para sa Kalikasan 2025, of course. Itutuloy-tuloy yan. Mas maraming runs, I think ang nakita ko dun was 6 runs. I'm not sure if pwede kong sabihin to. Pero, around 6 runs yung nakita ko aside from the Takbo para sa Kalikasan. Please do support that in the coming year 2025. This video is coming out December 31, I think. So, this is a year-ender for me. And I hope you could join next year's Takbo para sa Kalikasan series and the other running events ng Green Media. Because I can advocate na lahat nung binayad or lahat ng funds from this is napupunta to appropriate beneficiaries or yung mga natutulungan talaga, the planting of trees, mga pawikan, mga turtles natin. Okay, so that's why I love joining these. I will join more in 2025. I will see what I can do, no, to help and then to advocate for this event. So I'll see you on the coming runs sa 2025. Please do tap me on the back if nakita nyo akong tumatakbo during those runs, and sama tayo sa vlog. I'll see you there and let's enjoy running as well as helping the environment. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like these videos, so where I share my hobbies, where I share my passion, so about running, about computer stuff, about Tamiya, so please do subscribe and like this video and click the bell button as well so you can get notified sa mga upcoming videos natin. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.